The food delivery industry has witnessed significant consolidation in recent years, driven by the pursuit of scale, efficiency, and market dominance. A notable development in this trend is DoorDash's proposed acquisition of Deliveroo for £2.7 billion, $3.6 billion, offering 180 pence per share, a 22.8% premium over Deliveroo's recent closing price. This potential deal not only underscores DoorDash's strategic ambitions to expand its global footprint, but also reflects the challenges and opportunities inherent in the rapidly evolving food delivery landscape. In this video, I'd like to share some thoughts that critically examine the strategic motivations behind DoorDash's bid for Deliveroo and assess the potential for value creation through this acquisition. It explores the operational synergies, market expansion opportunities, and the broader implications for the industry, while also considering the challenges and risks associated with such a cross-border merger. DoorDash, primarily dominant in the US market, has sought avenues to establish a significant presence in Europe. The acquisition of Deliveroo, which operates in 9 countries, including the UK, offers DoorDash immediate access to established markets without the need to build operations from scratch. This move aligns with DoorDash's previous strategy, as evidenced by its $8 billion acquisition of Finnish delivery firm Wolt in 2021 to strengthen its European presence. Both DoorDash and Deliveroo have been expanding beyond traditional food delivery into areas like grocery and retail delivery. By combining forces, the two companies can leverage each other's infrastructure and customer base to accelerate growth in these sectors. Additionally, developing advertising businesses presents a new revenue stream, enhancing profitability and reducing reliance on delivery margins. The global food delivery market is highly competitive, with players like Uber Eats and Just Eat Takeaway vying for dominance. Acquiring Deliveroo allows DoorDash to bolster its position against these rivals, particularly in markets where Deliveroo has a strong presence. This strategic move could potentially deter competitors from gaining further market share and solidify DoorDash's status as a global leader in the industry. Founded in 2013, Deliveroo has established itself as a significant player in the UK and other markets. Despite a challenging IPO in 2021, where shares fell more than 25% on the first day, Deliveroo has shown signs of recovery, reporting its first full-year profit of £12.2 million in 2024. With a network of 140,000 riders and partnerships with 180,000 restaurants, Deliveroo offers a robust platform that complements DoorDash's expansion goals. Deliveroo has faced intense competition, particularly from Uber Eats and Amazon's entry into grocery delivery. These challenges have impacted its market share and profitability. DoorDash's acquisition could provide the necessary resources and strategic support to navigate these competitive pressures and achieve sustainable growth. The non-overlapping markets of DoorDash and Deliveroo minimize regulatory concerns and offer opportunities for seamless integration. Deliveroo's established operations in Europe can serve as a launchpad for DoorDash's further expansion, while DoorDash's technological capabilities can enhance Deliveroo's service offerings. The key question for us is where the potential for deal value creation lies. We've identified 3 key factors to focus on. First up, operational synergies. Combining DoorDash's technological infrastructure with Deliveroo's market presence can lead to significant operational efficiencies. Shared logistics, unified platforms, and consolidated marketing efforts can reduce costs and improve service quality. These synergies are crucial for achieving profitability in an industry characterized by thin margins. Number 2 on our list, market share expansion. The acquisition would result in a combined user base of approximately 49 million global users, enhancing DoorDash's ability to compete effectively in various markets. This expanded reach can attract more restaurant partners and customers, creating a virtuous cycle of growth and engagement. And finally, opportunities in advertising and grocery delivery. The integration of advertising platforms can open new revenue streams by offering targeted promotions and data-driven marketing solutions to restaurant partners. Additionally, the combined resources can accelerate the development of grocery and retail delivery services, tapping into the growing demand for diverse delivery options. However, this deal's value creation path isn't without its own challenges and risks. While the non-overlapping markets reduce antitrust concerns, regulatory scrutiny remains a potential obstacle. Authorities may examine the deal's impact on competition, labor practices, and consumer choice. Ensuring compliance with regional regulations will be essential for completing the acquisition. Merging two companies with different cultures, systems, and operational models presents significant challenges. Effective integration requires careful planning, clear communication, and alignment of strategic objectives to prevent disruptions and realize the anticipated synergies. Deliveroo's shareholders may assess the 22.8% premium as insufficient, especially considering the company's recent profitability. The presence of significant stakeholders like Amazon, which holds a 13% stake, could influence the deal's dynamics. The possibility of competing bids from other players such as Prosus or Meituan adds another layer of complexity to the acquisition process. The proposed acquisition of Deliveroo by DoorDash is emblematic of a broader consolidation trend within the global food delivery industry. This movement is driven by the pursuit of scale and operational efficiency as companies aim to strengthen their market positions and streamline services. Notably, Prosus's acquisition of Just Eat Takeaway for 4.1 billion euros underscores the strategic significance of such mergers in achieving market dominance. For consumers, these consolidations can lead to enhanced service offerings, including improved delivery times and expanded menu options. However, there is a potential downside as reduced competition might limit choices and affect pricing structures. Restaurants could benefit from access to more extensive delivery networks and customer bases, yet they may also face increased fees and diminished negotiating power. Gig economy workers, such as delivery riders, might experience shifts in employment terms, highlighting the need for careful consideration of labor practices and protections. Looking ahead, the success of the DoorDash-Deliveroo merger could set a precedent for future cross-border acquisitions in the sector. Such a development may encourage other companies to pursue similar strategies, leading to a more consolidated and competitive global market. Nonetheless, the challenges associated with integrating operations across different regions and navigating regulatory landscapes will remain critical factors influencing the outcomes of these deals. DoorDash's proposed acquisition of Deliveroo represents a strategic move to expand its global footprint, diversify services, and strengthen its competitive position. The potential for operational synergies, market share growth, and new revenue streams offers compelling value creation opportunities. However, the deal also entails significant challenges, including regulatory scrutiny, integration complexities, and shareholder considerations. For investors and industry stakeholders, the acquisition underscores the dynamic nature of the food delivery sector and the importance of strategic adaptability. As the industry continues to evolve, companies must navigate the delicate balance between growth ambitions and operational realities to achieve sustainable success.